Hey guys, it's a little noisy out here, but I decided that I am going to harvest the second batch of sunflowers that I have, and I thought I'd take you along. I hope you can see all of these yellow parts on the top of the sunflower. I'm going to pull these leaves off and then I'm going to brush that away. Then you'll be able to see the seeds. Just want you to see this yellow part. I'm just going to brush it off. It's very easy. Brushes off so easy. And then I pull all of these here end pieces off, because I'm going to leave this in the house and let it dry out before I take the seeds. I'll show you a little later the one I have already let dried out. But I really love sunflowers. It seems to me every stage is beautiful. I mean, just look at that. Look at the seeds in there. Look at the pattern. It's just all so beautiful. So I've pulled all these seeds up, leaves off, and now I'm just going to take it in the house, let it dry out for a couple of weeks. I mean, I probably could pop the seeds off now, but I like to let them dry out a little bit before I do it. So, very simple. Sorry about the noise, but my neighbor has a pool, and that's the humming from his pump. Another neighbor's working, but this is what I wanted you to see. I showed you how I brushed all of that yellow off, and this is what's left, and these are the seeds. And all you do is just pop them right off. I let these dry out a couple of weeks before I did, so I'm gonna get those others and I'm gonna let them dry a couple of weeks before I take the seeds. Then I'll let the seeds dry a little bit more once I take them out of here. But you see, it's very easy. I haven't quite made up my mind. I'm gonna keep some of these to replant for next year. I may keep some of them raw. I may roast some of them. I don't know, because I have quite a few here. But you see, this is quite easy, kind of relaxing too. And that's it. That's how you get sunflower seeds. I thought I'd bring this outside and keep it from popping all over the place, but I think I'm gonna go finish up in the house. I tried doing this outside, but it was so noisy and very hot, so I decided to come inside, and I'm going to show you. I have picked some of the seeds off of here. Remember I showed you on those other ones, it's like a yellow on the top, you just brush it off, and then these are your seeds. So I brought this in, I pulled most of the flowers off, and I've been letting them dry for a couple of weeks, and then this is all you do here, is you just push the seeds off. They come off very easy, and this is how you get sunflower seeds. After I do this, I will leave them out and let them dry some more and see how it goes. This is my first time doing this. I tried it one other time, but I don't know. I tried it, and I guess I didn't really know what I was doing, and the sunflowers started molding. So this time they came out beautiful. They grew beautiful. Maybe they like this house better, because it's been a couple of years since I tried it, and the sunflowers really didn't grow that large. But I hope you give it a try, because not only are the sunflowers good for the pollinators, they're also beautiful, and then you get a treat at the end. And then you have sunflowers to grow. You can also put some of these out for the birds, because they love sunflowers, and the squirrels. They'll probably take them all. But anyway, I know this is kind of boring watching me do this, so I will show you when I'm finished. Well, these are the sunflowers that I got off of that one head. Quite a few. But I can tell as I pick them up, they need to dry some more. And this is what that sunflower look like now that all the seeds out, and it's going into the compost. Hope you can see that. So I'm quite pleased, and I hope you try doing some sunflowers.
Here's a summary from WebMD. It's also an excellent source of vitamin E, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, iron, copper, selenium, manganese, zinc, vitamin E, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, iron, copper, selenium, manganese, zinc, and more.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And remember, let food be thy medicine. This is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.